going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please do me a favor, drop a like on this video, hit the subscribe button down below, and you'll get to see some more content about the truck, about all the vehicles we've got going on, and you know, stuff like that. But today we've got an event coming up. Now, I was trying to make a video. If you follow me on Instagram at Badzy71, you've probably seen me make the post on my story about the Toys for Tots charity truck and car show going on at Ozark Raceway Park in Rogersville, Missouri. That's where we're going to be taking the truck out today. It's going to be an awesome event. There's already guys setting up stuff out there. It's about 9:30 in the morning right now, and but we've got to get the truck ready. To be 100% honest, I haven't driven this truck in I don't even know how long. It's been a long time since I've actually moved it out of the driveway and driven it down the street. I've moved it around some, but it just hasn't been driven, you know, very much at all. So we've got to give it a quick bath, give it a quick little detail. I have to change the oxygen sensor. I've been working on trying to get that unloosened, I guess loosened for a while now. I don't want to like strip the threads. I haven't wanted to break anything off because I need that oxygen sensor on there. And yeah, so we're gonna get started on that and hit the event later this evening. I'll probably want to get there around probably noon to 1 o'clock. It looks like she still fires up. She's still alive. Still not running very well. I really think it's got to do with fuel injection, but I really wanted to try to replace that O2 sensor, but it's just not going to have it today. And I don't want to round out the actual sensor to where you can put a socket on there too much, because there's got to be a way to get it out, and I just don't want to round that out. I don't want to cause a whole problem to where that whole portion of exhaust has to be cut off and redone, which might end up being done in the first place. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do about that sensor. I really wanted to get that replaced, so that's kind of disappointing. And yeah, it still smells. It just smells really rich, and that's the main problem, is getting way too much fuel. Something's not right in the mixture, so it's just causing it to blow, you know, unnecessary black soot and unnecessary exhaust fume. And it's not healthy right now. We're gonna give her a bath today, get her cleaned up and presentable. I don't know if you guys have any ideas what's going on with that exhaust stuff. Like, this is how bad it is. Don't tell my wife. She won't be very happy about that. So I gotta get that cleaned off too. And special thanks to Limitless Car Care waterless wipe, I guess, for making it possible to hide stuff like this from your wife. She wouldn't be very happy if that was on her car. I could tell you that much. It's pretty gross. So here is a little better view of the lug nuts. I chose this style basically because this is the only style that'll fit in these holes to where I can actually get my socket into. And they're not too long, so the center cap goes over them. And these nuts, they've been on here for years and years, have been taken off and put back on so many times. I mean, you can probably see it's pretty scarred up. It's actually had one strip, like I said, and I could not get it back on, so I was running with 5 lug nuts for a while, and I highly don't recommend you do that, but you know, had to do what we had to do. That we got it all taken care of now. All right, we are out here at the racetrack here in Rogersville. There's a ton of fast cars out here. We just got done watching some of the races. You'll see the clips, and there's an S10 that is absolutely insane. Like, the amount of time, effort, and money people put into to drag stuff, it's crazy. Each of us have our own addiction. There's lifted trucks here. There's import cars. Well, one import car, I guess, 2 maybe. And of course the drag cars. So it's kind of pretty cool to see everybody together in one little area, and you know, just kind of enjoying the whole racetrack. But yeah, that's some cool stuff. God, look at the tip on that. It's absolutely ridiculous. Holy crap. No, I don't think that's what happened, babe. Oh, yeah, maybe.
And I know because of yours.
Check this Mustang out. We've got a place in Nixley called Retro Build, and they take newer Mustangs like the 05 to 09 body style, and they turn them into these old school looking ones. They use a bunch of original parts, original remanufactured type parts, and they turn them into these older cars, pretty much any body style, any year you want. But the cool thing about them is they keep the interior the same. So something cool you can do to your Mustang. I'm sure it costs a lot. I'm trying to convince her to take out a small loan to get hers done, but I don't think it's going to happen. Burnout competition, and some of these cars could definitely roast the tires. That truck that you just seen, there's that Corvette right back there that had the, I guess the record, right, or for the first time, the first burnout it did was like a really long one, so it held the record. But I think oh yeah, and the wheel or the brakes or something caught fire. I think this truck might have actually done a little bit more. Of course, when you do stuff like that, you're going to break parts under the hood and overheat things, and I think that's what he's working on right now. So, perfect example of why I don't want to ever do anything like that, because that's just absolutely abuse to your engine. Though we could have brought you're right in the middle of a yawn. There. Could have brought your Mustang out here and done that with its tires. What do you think? No? You don't like that idea?
No.
Alright, all that is over. Burnout contest over. You've seen that truck, and the last one was a Cummins, and it did a pretty decent job as well. I don't really know who won, but it's kind of getting cold out here, so we are going to go and find some food. Probably meet up at the somewhere to eat with 6 on time over there, and just get warm, man. It's cold. I completely forgot my hoodie, and that's not a fun time. Gave away a bunch of Boost Auto Parts koozies, Boost Auto Parts decals. So if you guys got that and I didn't get a chance to say hey to you or say anything to you, and you were here at this little meet, apologize for that. But yeah, pretty good time, pretty decent turnout, and the best part is a lot of donation for Toys for Tots. Boost Auto Parts also supplied a set of switchback lights, which were raffled off, and somebody won them. Somebody ended up winning those, and hopefully it'll work out for their truck. I don't think that they watch the channel, but if you do happen to watch the channel or follow the Instagram page, don't be afraid to send me a message. Hit me up if you have any questions at all about those lights. I will be able to either help you, or you can just contact Boost Auto Parts for help on that. Okay, we are all back from the little event. Was a pretty good time, not too terrible for being the very first event. I haven't really seen or heard of any other car shows and truck shows or whatever that's been done at the actual racetrack in Rogersville, so it's pretty cool. Like I said, there's a lot of cool cars out there, and it being the very first event, I don't know if it's going to be an annual thing or not. I just played a very small part of being involved in the event with Boost Auto Parts donating the raffle prize, and so that was pretty cool. Thanks again, huge shout out to Boost Auto Parts for donating a set of switchbacks. I cannot recommend enough to click the link down in the description. The very first, or one of the first links out there, is going to be a custom Boost Auto Parts link, and what it does is it lets people know who goes and buys from like my YouTube channel, my Instagram. So please use that link. If you're going to go shopping for your own set of tow mirrors, your own set of lights, you get you some hats, you can get shirts or hoodies, stuff like that, mirror parts, a lot of cool things coming from them. Be on the lookout Black Friday. And appreciate everybody who is following the build, everybody who is following the YouTube channel, all the new subscribers. It's kind of, I think we gained like 100 subscribers or so in the past week or so, which is really cool. Don't forget, 20,000, I'm not even going to worry about Instagram followers right now. 10,000 YouTube subscribers. We're going to give away a set of Boost Auto Parts tow mirrors, a complete set of tow mirrors with whatever options you want on them. Boost Auto Parts and I have partnered up to do that giveaway. So 10,000 followers on this channel, we'll be giving away a set of mirrors, guys. So definitely feel free to click that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me if you click that subscribe button. Anyway, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We will see you all in the next video.